Throughout the past 16 weeks, our team at RAB Northern have been working to bring you our authentic beach house project, which blends the beautiful views of Fisherman's Bay Beach with a modern, sustainable design.
Our design is situated at 9 Wattle Grove, 9GRTBY, Queensland. On the 24th of May 2023, we were hired by Philip Robinson to design his dream beach house. Having always cherished the coastline, Mr. Robinson and his wife, Mrs. Robinson, were determined to create their own haven. However, decades of physical demanding work as a floor layer has taken a toll on Mr. Robinson's knees, making accessibility a key concern. We are limited by a maximum internal floor space of 100 meters squared and council regulations. Mr. and Mrs. Robinson required a functional home office, a sustainable design, a level floor layout, and adequate parking for 3 cars. Other desirables included features of the house to embrace its modern architecture, being low maintenance, and to include outdoor entertainment areas.
We now entered the research phase. Most notably, we researched climate, open plan living, universal design, ergonomics, pre-existing beach house designs, material choice, and sustainability. Our climate research enabled us to understand how to suit our property to the conditions it will face, which influenced many of our material choices. Through our ergonomic research, we were able to develop an effective kitchen triangle for ease of use, and by embracing universal design, we could ensure that the property is suitable for Mr. Robinson with his knee issues. An example of this included using sliding doors which don't require as much leg and core movement as their conventional counterparts. Through our research of existing beach house designs and layouts, we learned to have large, floor-to-ceiling sliding doors and windows on all the walls facing the beach to provide a breathtaking view. We also learned to position the most used spaces facing the beach to make the most of this view.
Next, we began to ideate on the final design. Each group member produced basic sketches as the first step on our concept creation process. We used the Venn diagram method to help us develop unique room arrangements layouts without suffering from the confinements of walls in the early stages of sketching. We assessed our designs, weighing up on the advantages and problems against our design criteria until we have 2 top designs remaining. We then used a marking rubric that was based on our objective and brief to decide which concepts we would use. We chose this design as it encompassed the full beach view from as many key rooms as possible, whilst having an open living, dining, and kitchen space which was all connected to an outdoor entertainment area. After settling on a floor plan, we proceeded to create multiple concepts for bathroom and kitchen layouts to find the best possible ergonomic space utilization. We used the idea of the bathroom and kitchen triangle to help us arrange these spaces for the most efficiency and effectiveness in use.
The next phase of this project was to create a prototype and test, which was accomplished through the development of 3D models. This enabled our exploration in virtual reality, thereby enabling us to unravel the intricate interplay of the advantages and limitations inherent in each concept. Among the 5 bathroom designs, we settled on the layout that made the user experience the most simple and easy. After our initial VR test, we decided to swap the positioning of the living and kitchen space, due to our client primarily occupying the living area. This procedure was repeated multiple times to ensure the greatest possible use of available space, while having everything accessible and arranged in an ergonomic way. Additionally, we utilized dynamic components to access space required for movement and cabinet access. We examined the sun's route using SketchUp's geolocation function to accurately visualize how sunlight would affect our house throughout the year. This informed optimal positioning for early sun, midday shade, and beach view utilization on our lot.
Our 4 formal technical drawings, the site plan, floor plan, elevation, and planimetric drawings were produced as a result of the ideation and prototyping process, ending with a detailed CAD model of our final design.